Good day in the home, I'm your host, VillainCloud, and welcome to another video. Now, from the thumbnail you have seen, it's about the Sennheiser HD598 headphones. That's how they look like. That's how they go. Now, you've seen in the video title, or in the video thumbnail itself, that it's time for me to change the pads. As you can see, they've been changed already. Because this is how my ones looks like, and I'll show you the original ones. This is how original ones looks like. So that's how it looks like. That's how my one looks like. But for these headphones, it's time to go. For these ear muffs, it's time to go. As you can see, here is a hole. Hold up, let me turn around. Whoop, just for you. You can see there's a hole already. It's not anymore that comfy or cushy, and this starts to go. So in this video I'll show you how easy it is to change it, and obviously you need something to replace it. So I bought from Geek-Ria, a headphone accessory expert. So I bought a replacement for these. These were £20, and I'll put the Amazon link down in the description. So let's open this up and see what's going on here. The zipper, it comes with a pull, and this was cut, so the pull just came off, so I had to rip it apart. So let's see. One pad, it looks the same, and now we can see how it goes on. Put them here. Another pad with the sponges. I don't need them. I'm not using them. What else is there? A replacement. Okay, this looks much more beautiful. This we don't need. What's this? What was in there is a pick. It looks like a guitar pick. Warranty? Don't think so. Replacement for what? A cheap cloth? Warranty? Stop before you return. Scan this. Scan it. No, I'm not letting you. Expedite refund or replacement? No, well, they'll be fine. They will serve me for quite some time. Come off. So we're gonna press this one thumb, this one thumb. Now let's start with this one, because this is the easiest one. You know why? Because it's glued on. It's literally glued on. So we don't need this. We don't need this. And with the headphones, we can just... I'm one-handed, so... Look at that. Let me do maybe this way. I don't want to break the headphones. Oh, and there's a split now. I haven't seen that before. Is that for a reason or for what? So yeah, there you go. That's how new, old. Yeah, I've been using this for quite some long time, so yeah. Blech. Now let's guess. I guess we rip this off and put it on. I don't know if I will be able to film this with one hand. Oh yeah, it's sticky. But I'm holding with one hand and I'm doing it with the other one. So if I can do it, then so do you. Let's see the shape. Yeah, this is thicker than that one. So the thick one on the bottom. Like this. Thick one on the bottom. So we go plunk right there. Then we just attach it. Yoink, I guess. Then we just press it on. Let's see at the front. Oop, it's a little bit out. Hold up, let me put you. So I had to. Good that you can remove it. I'm really glad that you can actually do it. And right on the edge. Right on the edge. See what I had to do? I had to put it right here on the edge. So it's not over and not under. If you look, This is all good. You look at the back. It's all good too. You just need to press it down a bit more. Okay, the top is changed. Now the sides, and the sides are pretty easy. Wait, hold up. See? You can just pull it off with your hand. There you go. I'll need to clean this, look at that. Ooh. Basically you can see it clips in. It has a lip here, see? A lip here, here and here. So let me show you on this one. You put the fingers inside where the cups are, and you push with the finger inside towards you. Look, I'll put the fingers in and push towards you. And then out. And you hear the click, click, click. There you go, it's out, see? And that's how the headphones look like without the pads, the old ones. If we look at the difference, old and new. Yeah, they've been used, and I wash these each week. Each week I wash them. So you can see, new, old. Oh, this is much springier. This one is already squishy. This one has some. This has some give, it has some resistance. This is just going flat. So this one go in the bin. One reason why I don't put these soft things inside, because if you can see around here, this sits perfectly on your ear, and it's not that it's hurting you or anything, it's just really comfortable. And these headphones are pretty easy to take apart. So you can see that there is a screw, there's a screw, and there's a screw, and you can access it. There are screws, there are screws. So this is well made. And the best is how to you put this back on. You see all these clips. It just clips on. There isn't anything to it. You just hold it and clip it in. Basically what you have to do is just press it on. See? This one is fully on and pressed on. Now what you have to do is literally take the new and press it on. Just make sure it aligns. That sound is when the clips actually clip in. And there you go. That's the new pads installed, and new supports too at the top. I need to squish it a little more because it's coming a little loose. But you can see now these ones look more soft and more plush. That's good. This kit was £20. If you look at the old ones, how they look like, overused and overdone. These new ones, I can't wait. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, this is how it goes on. Oh my god, oh yes, it's so soft and nice. It's really nice on my ears. So that's how you change the so that's how you change the pad, those two ear pads and the top of the head pad on your Sennheisers. So if you liked the video and this video was helpful, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and I hope I'll see you next video. Bye bye.